Hey, hi there. This is Murli Sundaram, your happiness coach, and in this video, I'm going to share with you my favorite 5 best business books that every small and medium entrepreneur must read. But before I go there, can I request you to click that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you will always get notification whenever I upload a new video. Now, let's jump inside. Which are the 5 books? I read lots and lots of books every day, at least 200 pages. And since every day I am talking to at least 50 to 100 small and business owners as part of the BNI forum, I end up talking a lot, and I found out that most of them face the same challenge, almost everyone. And they all ask me, sir, which is the best book to read? Okay. Out of various books I have recommended, these are the top 5 books I have recommended most, and many of them come back and have told me that these books have really helped. Okay, the number 1 book is always my all-time favorite, by Jim Collins, Good to Great. Okay, he says in this book that good is the enemy of the great. It's a brilliant book based on the research done with all 100 years plus companies. Remember, companies that are running more than 100 years. So the author has studied a lot of organizations which are running successfully beyond 100 years. And then in this book, he suggests some amazing principles and ideas and strategies of how good companies can become great company. It's a must-read book for a small and medium business owner who really wants to build a large organization. Okay, remember, every organization depends upon you need to have a people. Okay, you need to have a strategy, and you need to execute it. Then only a business is done. And in this book, all these 3 elements are discussed in depth. And there's a beautiful concept called hedgehog concept in this book. I think that each and every one of us must go to Google right now after this video, check the hedgehog concept and see whether you and your business is aligned to the hedgehog concept. It's a brilliant one. It's a must-read book for every small and medium entrepreneur. But remember, it's a little heavy book. You need to go slowly, step by step by step. And the second important book that I'm going to recommend to you today is a book which is always there in my table. Okay, always there. Whenever I get bored, whenever I want to read something, I will always open this book random, and there's an amazing lesson for me to learn. Brilliant book by Ray Dalio called Principles. It's a masterpiece, I can say. Okay, you don't have to read any other book. This one book is enough if you really want to motivate yourself. Okay, whether you want to align your life principles or work principles, this one book will really bring profound change in your personality, in your ability to deal with people, and also your ability to achieve your goals and your business. So this is my very strong recommendation. This is a book is always there in my hand or in my desk. Okay, this is my second recommendation. The third recommendation is a very interesting book by my mentor, Tracy, called Goals. Okay, I'm sure that each one of us as business owners, we have set goals, and we are chasing these goals every single day and week and month. This is a very important book that everyone must know how to scientifically set our goals and what are the various things that we have to do, what kind of priorities we need to do, what are the 12 steps method to create your own goals, and what you should do, what kind of mindset we need to develop, thereby we can achieve anything we want in our life. Reading Tracy's one book is equivalent to reading 10 books in the same genre itself. Okay, so that's the reason I always recommend you for this particular book. Okay, and the next one is the most important book called The One Thing. You know, as entrepreneurs, we get sidetracked a lot, we get digressed a lot. Okay, but success comes only when you stay focused on one thing. Okay, in this book, Gary Keller talks about what is that one thing that you can always focus upon. What is that one small domino? If you hit everything, you will achieve. What is that one small micro action that can take you to your weekly goal, monthly goal, yearly goal, and someday goal? Okay? I think this is one of the important books that each and every small and medium entrepreneur must read. Thereby, they don't get defocused and stay and understand the power of one in our life. And the last recommendation for today is going to be my favorite book, which I've been recommending everywhere, by Paul Jarvis, Company of One. You know, many of them, They always read the books of Elon Musk and Bill Gates and Mark Zuckerberg and say that I will also build a large company. Like many of them go into that magic of thinking big, and they lose out their whole money and relationship and life. But this author in this book gives a different twist. And that's the reason I like this book. Very, very important for a small and medium entrepreneur. No, in this book, the author talks about that we as a business owner, okay, don't chase a number or a goal. He says, first you decide on what kind of lifestyle you want to develop. Okay, what kind of lifestyle you want to live right now. Decide on your lifestyle. And based on the lifestyle, can you build a small, profitable company that can suit that particular lifestyle? Ultimately, you are making money. You are here to make some money and do what? You need to enjoy that money also, yes or no? What's the point that you continuously work and make a lot of money, but you are not there to enjoy? So in this book, Company of One, the author talks about build a profitable company that can suit your lifestyle. Okay, so these are my top 5 recommendations of the business books that I have read. There are many books. You can see that my whole shelf is full of books. These are my top 5. Probably you would have also read some books. Okay, if your favorite book is not there in the list I shared with you, go ahead and comment below the name of the book, probably 1 or 2 key points from that book, so that everyone can also get benefited. Okay, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Maybe go ahead and share this video in your business groups. Maybe some of your business friends also get enthusiastic. Maybe they can get inspired by reading any one of these books. So I hope you really enjoy this content, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.